They say getting your gym routine, getting in the gym, being consistent is the hardest part. No, girl. Eating is the hardest part because you could work out as much as you want. You could do all the Pilates, do all the weight training, the sets, the reps, the things. But if you are not in alignment in the kitchen, you will not see results and everything will be in vain. And we don't like that. We're trying to level up over here. So over the years, I have built a catalog of go-to meals that are quick, easy, that can fit into not only a healthy, but a busy lifestyle. And I'm sharing those meals with you because eating healthy does not have to be boring, girl. We do not have to do boring meals. We do not have to suffer through our fitness journey. We are romanticizing life over here. And if you agree with romanticizing life and you want to have that vibe all through 2025, go ahead and drop me a little heart emoji in the comments. Well, this video is packed with go-to breakfast meals, lunch meals, dinner meals, easy things that you can pull together that are high protein and can still help you hit your fitness goals. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss a single vid. To make it easy to stay on track with my meals and lower the temptation to DoorDash, I start with grocery shopping. Some of my essentials are lean meats like ground turkey, tuna, salmon, and then some grain essentials like quinoa, brown rice. I also like to make sure that I have my snacks covered, enough produce to add some side dishes very quickly, just essential things. I've also included my grocery shopping essential list in the description below. What was I thinking? Stacking a heavy leg day with Pilates. So we're about to make a nice big breakfast. Like there's meal prepping where you actually have the meals ready to go, and then there's meal preparedness where the ingredients are there so it's quick and easy. So we're making that deconstructed avocado toast thingy. So if you didn't see it in the last vlog, you're gonna see it in this one. As a part of meal prep, I also like to have just protein on the go that I could add to things. Either add to salads, I could add it to breakfast tacos. I just have meat on the go. And one of the things I love about Trader Joe's is they have these seasoned chicken thighs. And y'all know chicken takes a while because you gotta season it, you gotta marinate it, gotta put it in the fridge overnight. It's gotta like seep in the juices, get a brine going, whatever. That ain't 30 minutes or less, right? We talking 30 minutes or less. When I got time, that's cool. But when I don't have time, I wanna quit. So I like these thighs and I like to prep them. So usually what I do is I'll throw them in the oven, cut them up, put them in the fridge, and then I have it to add in to be an extra protein boost for things. So I don't know, maybe I'm a bit extra, but I always like to wash my meat. For this one, we're gonna do a little pesto. I get this from Trader Joe's. We're gonna need just a little bit of olive oil, some ranch seasoning, onion salt, some paprika. I would love if this was smoked paprika, but I'm out, so I'm just using regular paprika. And for those of you wondering, yes, this chicken has been marinated, so you could still wash it and it has some of that initial flavor. This is the rosemary herb, but if you just wash it and let it be, then it's kind of a little bland. Even if you don't wash it, it's kind of a, not all the way where I like my chicken to be. I like my chicken flavorful. And if you are looking to be a little more on the lean side because you're in a cut, because you're looking to burn more fat, instead of chicken thighs, you would get chicken breast because it's leaner. Since I need the calories, and I don't want to have to sit and eat all day. The chicken thighs are a little bit more fat and more calories for me because you need to eat in a surplus to build muscle. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven. Then garbanzo beans, also high in fiber, high in protein. It's 7 grams of protein for a third of the can, right? So if you have a recipe that calls for the whole can, that's 21 grams of protein. I already had this prep from earlier in the week, but any type of vegetable you want to add. This is lima beans. You could do edamame, whatever. And then you can either do this with rice. Since I'm eating high protein, I'm doing it with quinoa. But we're gonna go ahead and heat up our veggies and quinoa because, as I said, this was previously meal prepped. Okay, so we washed our cucumber. The brand is Norikomi and it's furikake seasoning, a multi-purpose Japanese seasoning. I like it for this particular bowl and you'll see why. So we're gonna prep our ingredients. Ladies, nails are not tools. So as tempting as it may be, I try my best not to use my nails as tools. You can really do this with any fish. If you have sushi grade tuna, you could do this. If you have salmon, you could do this. whether cooked or sushi grade salmon. But because I want a quick 10-minute meal, this is the quickest way, unless you've already pre-done your other meats. The tuna, we're gonna add in our yum yum sauce. I like to also add in a little bit of seasonings. You can add in whatever you want. I'm adding in some onion salt. I like this onion salt because it's not too salty. Like, I don't know what it is, but I can't eat straight up salt anymore as much as I used to be able to. Add some paprika to lose weight and you're still doing a weight training program. Or if you're looking to lose fat, burn fat and lose weight, you could do this just by itself with the cucumbers or add in other veggies like tomatoes or whatever you want to do. But I'm here for the gains. Bowl is hot. I mixed in my quinoa. You don't have to if you want to make yours look aesthetic or whatnot. But I'm hungry. I don't care about that. I rarely eat a dish, even though I focus on protein, I rarely eat a dish where it's only the meat or like a man dinner. I don't know why guys do that sometimes, but you know, like gym bros, they'll be like, yeah, I'm eating steak for dinner. And I'm like, oh, is that it? But yeah, so I like to incorporate healthy carbs, like the cucumber is a healthy carb. Of course, I have some carbs in my quinoa. Protein is also in the quinoa. Fiber is in my veggies, then my protein. So this can of tuna is about 25 grams of protein, and it's about a little over 4 ounces. So a way to tell is you can look at the palm of your hand, and most women, this works for us. The palm is about 4 ounces, give or take, of anything. This is like 4 ounces. So when you're looking at packages and you're like, oh, well, what is 2 ounces? Half of your palm. What's 4 ounces? Your full palm. So then I like to top with my yum yum sauce. And then remember this guy. So I don't know why they don't make a smaller hole, but I like to top it with this. And this is a combined 40 grams of protein. 10 minutes. It's Tuesday night and I wanted some tacos and a frozen margarita, but we got goals and I'm 4 months sober. So let's make a healthy meal together. Also, as a part of my meal preparedness, I take produce and just pre-prep it so it's ready to go. So the green onions are chilling, ready to go. I cut up a couple so that I can just toss it in dishes or top it in like protein bowls. My bell peppers cut up, ready to go. So that's another way to like quickly pull meals together, is to have some of those foundational ingredients just already prepped and ready to go. Metro, I got this shit here booming. I can't save you, I can try to save you. Real quick, y'all. I saw on TikTok before it got banned, and I haven't really been off since a return. Y'all let me know what the vibes are over there. Like, should I get back on TikTok? But I was on TikTok, and the girls were saying, if you want your green onions to last, you cut off the bottom, and you put it in a jar of water. So we're going to see, because if I feel like I buy these and 2 days later they're bad. Like, I'm just buying them for show at this point. So kind of desperate, kind of willing to try anything, because I really love the profile, the flavor profile that green onions adds to a dish. So we're about to cut off the bottom, put it in some water. I'm going to put it in some spring water, you know, act like I'm planting or watering a plant. And then I'll check in with you through the week. We'll see how our babies are doing. Use vinegar.